Ain't nobody smooth like me. I don't flash C notes, that's too high key. Keep it all down low, that's who I be. Levitating on the stage when I move my feet. Alright, look, good guy, didn't know that he can move, huh? Been in my shell, popped out like Cooper. And she look good, body rocking like Medusa. Calm like a Buddha, still popping off like bazooka. Smooth like butter in a pan. Love her when she dance. Got me all stuck inside a trance. Hoping she don't have some other plans. Said you got a man?
Yeah.
Damn. Smooth like ice and that's a fact. Michael Jackson, nice with it. I'm moonwalking. She got hoops with the ice and that's a bad chick. The matching jacket with it, you on 10. Yeah. So smooth when you walked in. Slow-mo hair flip. Caught my eye from the jump. Thigh-high socks and the legs don't quit. Good guy, girl. Go ahead and fly what you got. I know that you gotta leave, but I got just what you need. So please tell me what you want. Said that she was tired of the rap, so I came back. New style, hit him with the funk.
So we're here at the Corvette test track in Bowling Green. It's literally 5 minutes from my house. I'm pumped on that. The day started off super rainy, but it's drying up now. So it should be good. I'm gonna go try to do a little wet lap and see how it is. But I'm excited because this is the first drift event ever at this track. Slyde Factory somehow managed to get this. Barry's a madman. I'm excited. We'll see how it goes. I just took Dawson for 2 laps, and I thought I was going to do a sight lap on the first one, but I was like, we'll go for it. And then it's way more grippy than you expect it to be. I mean, it's fully wet right now, and like, I was bogging in 3rd gear, which is only 93 mile an hour wheel speed or something. So it's fun though. I mean, this is probably the coolest track that you can drift at in this area as far as I know right now. The big downhill is insane. Just so much grip, and I can't wait to try it in the dry because right now it's really fun, but it's gonna be even more fun. We can add like 20 mile an hour to it. And car's good though. Dude, car's good, thank God, after everything with Jersey and then coming back and putting it together. Pilot bearing was completely gone, so Matt was right on that one. I guess when I originally built the motor, I think I put it in, I'm pretty sure I did. But I put it in backwards, so the race could be pushed back out into the back. So that's probably what happened. But we have a new throwout bearing, new lines, new master cylinder, new pilot bearing. So all the clutch stuff is all good. It's all brand new, and it's running great. We did some shitty whipping at a show in Litchfield last night. Literally pulled it out of the shop and went down the road and then just started doing figure eights immediately. So that was good. And then we just started ripping here, and I mean, it feels great. The car feels good. It's got the power. We have way too little air pressure for this right now. It's still running the 295 GTs, but we have nitrous to fix that. So if it gets dry, we'll turn on some nitrous and have some real fun. much a polar opposite of Jersey. Car works, minor little issues, but that's always, we got them fixed. It's not a big deal. Like the belt was falling off because we got too short of a belt, but otherwise it's ripping. I can't even explain it. I love this track. It's probably one of my favorite tracks that I've ever driven. It's so crazy going down the hill. We turned on the nitrous and 295 GT is going 2 laps on the spray, but I just took Matt for a ride so that he could actually like feel what's actually going on, because he's been in this car with not so grippy tires, he's driven it with not so grippy tires, but he's never been in it full kill, especially with nitrous. So to get to show him like what the level that we're at and you know why I keep pushing for so much stuff is really cool. And I think he had a good time, right, Matt?
Did I have a good time? Yes.
Yeah.
I had a blast. It's amazing what that car can do when it's working.
Yeah.
Like, oh my God.
It's crazy. So I'm having a blast. You know, I think it's so much easier with a fun event to not have to like feel all the pressure. But this is also just a really good comeback from the Jersey situation. So I'm happy. I'm really happy. Now we know everything works. The car feels amazing. So I think we're ready for the next comp, which is Riverside 245. And I mean, let's be honest, that should be easy. I don't know. We'll see. If they do the 50K layout, that'd be sick. I love that layout. It'd be some good practice for the 50K in August. And then, yeah, I mean, the rest of the year, I'm gonna let myself have a little bit more fun.
Feed a bankroll, how the saying go, got it flooded to my ankles, need a raincoat,
Pair of boots and a dang bow, gotta stay flow. I might pull up in a stagecoach playing Beethoven.
Whoa.
Didn't think that it would work.
yeah, now they coming out the woodwork,
Built up my own platform.
could say I'm in the woodwork,
Made the song go viral.
probably off some footwork,
Well, either that or the hook work.
always think of the hook first,
Now I gotta
make a bag just to keep the lights on.
It's really nice to have a fuel gauge. When I built this car, I was like, man, I want to know how much gas is in it. But then I was like, wait, I only need it in the back when I'm filling it up. So I put the fuel gauge back here.
I'm on your desktop, I'm an icon.
They say
Feels plugged in.
35, and he's linking it. He just not
Back here dangling behind the intake.
Wonderful day. So much better. We drove good stuff. It's a beautiful day. It started out rainy and we didn't know if it was going to clear up, but look at it now. It's got Toy Story clouds. It's a great day. I'm in a good mood. Car ran good. I drove good. Everything's good. Matt's a little tired, but I think he had fun. Shane's a little tired, but I think he had fun. Dawson's a little tired, but I think he had fun. So it's a good day. I don't know. See you guys next time.
took it, they asking me who would've thought. I did. Keeping it humble in person, like, oh my God, I can't believe it. Okay, I'm lying. Straight to the fact, when the beat hitting right, I just say how I'm feeling.